This is Hansshow Installation Center in Southern California that offer EV modification and a member of SEMA. So if you're interested in modifying your EV, Tesla Rivian specifically, we do paint protection film in different colors here in PPF or vinyl. Also offer clear protection film as well. So definitely check this out. Waiting room for those that have aftermarket installation. We also have a showroom and a lounge to also hang out while you wait for your vehicle to be finished with the installation. You can check out accessories and mods to your EV. Here are some rear tail lights and crossbars, as well as light bars for your Model 3 and Y, the older Y that is. There's other light modification available on the website. Some other items available are calipers for your Tesla Cybertruck and other accessories and modification, adding carbon fiber finishes to your mirror caps, your center console, and your interior camera, as well as center console. Your live rear camera here offers you full visibility of the rear with the tonneau cover closed. For other accessories, you also can get additional carbon fiber for the interior, and we'll show you that in a brief moment, how it looks like once installed. So here's the carbon fiber mirror cap from the outside. It comes in matte or gloss. The interior, you can get seat covers, and there's the live camera for the live feed. You can place this above the cargo or behind the bumper. Center console carbon fiber finish install in matte finish. Different seat covers you can select from to line it up with the color scheme, and also carbon fiber around the cup holder and the steering wheel switches buttons as well. You have carbon fiber finish for the B pillar that you can consider to apply yourself or have us install it. Roof system, more complicated, and this center will offer to install this if you purchase a roof system, whether it is Hansshow or not. And from the rear, you also have MOLLE side panels as well as the divider. And this is also sold for a fraction of the cost of what Tesla would charge. Rear cargo mat, so you can tailgate, sit back, relax, or while you're loading heavy objects, you don't have to worry about scratching up. You have your camera there that's mounted on the top, offering a cover as you want to have more of an aesthetic clean look. Light bars also on display. Very popular, the running boards, different designs. These sell out very quickly and very difficult to get if you are on the market for them. Definitely give us a call, text, and check the inventory before coming by. Wheel covers for Model 3, Y, as well as S are available. So these different designs gives you more of a visual appeal versus just a plain cover. Carbon fiber and non-carbon fiber ABS for lip, side skirt, dashboard, deck spoiler, and rear diffuser are available. Again, give us a call, text for inventory check. It comes in matte, gloss, real, or ABS. Other accessories for Model Y are also available, from swivel mount to caliper and door sills that illuminates. And these door sills are also very popular. It comes in different style. Mirror reflector camera cover also available, as the door trim, carbon fiber cover, or full replacement are available. And then for the Model 3, similar accessory available, from the door sill that illuminates to swivel mount to actual door handle carbon fiber. And this is a full replacement door trim for the older Model 3. And the caliper also available for the Model 3. Of course, you have some accessory for Model S and X as well, but make sure you check inventory. If you're interested in any of this product, give us a call, text, and make an appointment to come in. Catch you all next time.